Industry 4.0 has already become a trend for many industries. The PET bottle can be easily put to use. Demand for the PET bottle in the global market experiences at least an average growth rate of 5% per year. With automation widely introduced in industries such as water, beverage and packaging, labor-saving management and cost reduction have become a necessary trend, leading to an intelligent bottle blower management system. Chun Power was founded in 1981 with a team guided by excellent innovation capacity and productivity. In 1994, Chun Power developed Taiwan's first fully automatic PET blow molding machine and first high-speed, fully electric, linear PET blow molding machine in Asia. For nearly 40 years, Chun Power has become the largest leading brand in Taiwan, accounting for 85% of Taiwan's PET blow molding machine exports. Over 3,000 PET blow molding machines from Chun Power have been sold to 103 countries around the globe, becoming one of the largest two-stage PET blow molding machine manufacturers in the Asia-Pacific region. Chun Power has a group of mold magicians with extensive mold design experience. Whether it's an idea or a sketch, Chun Power will be able to convert clients' ideas into bottle molds through their experienced mold experts, ranging from animals, cartoon characters, architecture, or other styles, to ensure products become the market focus. In addition, the Chun Power mold production facility is equipped with constant temperature and humidity control and employs top-grade Swiss Micron's 5-axis machining center, as well as several Taiwanese milling machines and robotic arms. Chun Power uses top-grade alloys such as the 7075 aluminum and stainless steel, which are used in national defense and aerospace industry to produce highly accurate, wear-resistant, highly stable mold products. Chun Power's high-speed stretch blow molding machine is equipped with an intelligent blow molding system, Bottle Viewer, which allows user to stay in control of all Chun Power blow molding machine production activities in your factory, including production information, production history, and machine status in real time with your computer browsers or handheld devices. It aims to assist users in easily entering Industry 4.0. Chun Power has extensive experiences in R&D and provides a high degree of flexibility for its customer. They can deliver customized solutions that meet unique requirements for each individual case. Chun Power machines help you achieve PET bottle production for every type of capacity. No matter what the product is used for, beverages, water, cooking oil, daily products, or cosmetics, Chun Power established a full-stack team that includes research and development, production management, system control, quality control, sales consultant and after-sales service, design and marketing. It offers a comprehensive and rigorous quality management process encompassing continuous improvement plans, from resource allocation in the initial stages to the after-sales services.